BYD recently updated their vehicle's OS and not allowing users to install Android apps not approved by BYD into their vehicles. If you're still using version 1.6.1, you can check out my previous video. Now for users who wants to try this new method. It's fairly simple, worked in any of the version and there's no passwords required. Create a folder on your Windows or Mac desktop and label it SilentInstaller. Next, download the Android APK from any depository. Drag and drop the APK into the folder you created earlier. Plug in your USB drive. If your drive is not formatted, make sure it's formatted to FAT32 or this one /T work. Drag or copy the SilentInstaller folder into your USB drive and with it, head to your car. Start your vehicle and insert the drive into the USB slot. Give the system a moment and a page will load up. Click on the file you want to install and that's it. No additional steps necessary. Don't forget to allow your app to run in the app permission. Again, Google-owned apps will have problem running but others have no issues. Enjoy!